Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will try to do a flip cup, kind of. I use 12 by 16 inch canvas, and I will pour my paints into these 3 cups. And my pouring medium will be Elmers School glue, 60% and 40% water. And I did put a drop for an ounce of Pentart silicone oil in all the colors. And I have Maimeri Ivory, Amsterdam Prussian phthalo blue, ArtistLoft Metallic Cobalt, Maimeri Turquoise, Amsterdam Cobalt ultramarine, and Maimeri Manganese. And I don't have white, so I have ivory, so I will just layer my paints in these 3 cups, and I will start with ivory. And since this part of the process is not quite as interesting, I will probably just speed you up with this. I will just layer my paints like this in all 3 cups. I will just add this Prussian phthalo on top of everything. I never did flip cup or any pour with silicone with glue mixture, so I really don't know. I know that Julie and Karen does this all the time, but I didn't, so I don't know how it will look like. But I thought I will try today. So let me flip my cups. One and 2 and 3. And my mixture pouring medium to paint is 1:1 to I forgot to show you. It leaves a mound, a little mound on the mound. So let me flip this middle one first. This one next. And the last one. Okay. Okay, so I will just tilt a little bit first and then I will torch, because I don't want too big cells. I will just grab a piece of cardboard for kind of a corner catcher. So I will go to this corner first. Back. I think that I have more than enough paint, so hopefully let's walk this a little bit down. I want to tilt some of this off. Okay, and now I will go back and torch, and then we will play with the composition a little bit more. Just have to wipe my hands first. Just a second, I just want to touch my corners a little bit before, because don't want to forget, and I want to have a nice cells on the sides too, because it's deep edged canvas and you want to have perfect sides too, not just canvas. Okay, I did that, so let's go from up high first. My cells are quite little for now. Okay, so let's wait to develop. Some of them are so small, so weird. So I will go towards here first, because I really don't like that part there. So let's walk. Probably I will try to till that big cell off too. Okay. And I will walk back now. I think that I don't want to stretch this out anymore. Because I like how the cells look beautiful, and some of them are quite interesting, so I will torch the sides a little bit, because I want some cells on the sides too. I just want a little more. Cells. Those little ones. Okay. And I will leave it now. Not so crazy about this part, but otherwise I am happy. Maybe torching the sides wasn't the best idea, because cells start to they become wonky, so let me do that. Wipe the bottom, that paint will not just continuously flow. I really like it, have to say. I do. Just maybe because I thought that this blue line wasn't so nice here. The metallic cobalt did some weird things, because, you know, it's a metallic, but still some of the cells are just gorgeous. I love it. So let me take you down for a close-up. So here is a close-up. Wow, I really like all those gorgeous cells. And the colors are just stunning. It's always hard to show on camera, but in real they look amazing. Love it, love it, love it. Have to say that, sorry, I like it, this your orientation more, because I think that it looks like a sea or something, and this horizon with some clouds or something. This is just how I see it, but love it. Camera doesn't do it justice. So I'm pretty happy with this result with school glue as the pouring medium. Tell me what you think about it, and see you on the next one. Bye!